reading with Shaista. Hi Sagittarius. This is going to be a reading for you from the 1st of June to the 15th of June 2021, and I shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you, which will serve as a message for you from the universe. And please do remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. It could be for you, it could be for your person, it could be for a connection, or just the situation you're in currently. All right, it could deal with all of that. It could also be, in some cases, probably someone of another zodiac or the same zodiac who's probably cross-watching. So it could be their energy as well. It could be a vice versa energy. So just take in what resonates with you and let the rest go. All right. For personal readings, please feel free to reach out to me. I have mentioned my email address in the description box below. All right, Sagittarius, let's start with your reading from the 1st of June to the 15th of June 2021. Sagittarius, for the week 1st to the 15th of June 2021. Sagittarius, for the week 1st to the 15th of June 2021. All right, the overall energy for you is the Knight of Swords for this reading. Definitely determined to communicate more strongly. I see that energy where you're all out to let people know how you feel about something. You're ready to communicate and let them know your mind. I think you definitely are going to be very outspoken. That's the general overall energy that I'm getting. Let's see where this kind of resonates in with the rest of the spread. In your recent past, I see the 10 of coins, the lovers, and the 3 of coins. Great guns, everything very peaceful on the domestic front, everything going great with your partner, a lot of work being put into the relationship, definitely a lot of effort being put into the relationship, and it's been all very hunky-dory. In your current situation, I see that you're kind of freeing up a little bit. You are a little distracted, you want to explore, there is a sense of curiosity, and you want to try something new. This could be more work related rather than a personal relationship. I think you definitely want to try and get into something new. This is a good time for you. With the World card here in your current energies, I feel that it's time to now focus on work. You have focused a lot of your energies around people close to you, who you're living with, your family, and I think that bond is settled. That bond is taken care of. What you really need to focus on currently is your work. It's telling you that you need to start focusing on something new. All right, this is a good time to start something new. You probably will have an offer coming in, or you need to start. I do see a potential where something is there in store for you and you need to kind of start looking at it. Okay, you need to be a little more adventurous and a little more more of a risk taker at this point in time, and I see that energy coming into play as well. And perhaps that's why you have the Knight of Swords, where you're ready to challenge yourself and go for it. So you want to definitely try your hand at something new. You definitely are ready to explore that and take it on as a challenge. So it's a good time for you to start a new business or start something new in your life in terms of your career. All right, Sagittarius, when I look at your immediate future, I see the 9 of Cups, I see the 7 of Coins, and I see the Devil. Though I see a lot of dreaming, a lot of hard work, a lot of achievement, a lot of success, and a lot of growth, I also see a lot of temptations to go wrong. All right, so you may want to watch your back. In order to grow, in order to do well, in order to achieve a certain goal that you have in mind, or to make money, or to get your business to a certain level. Yes, I do see a lot of effort that's gone in. You reaching a very comfortable situation. I see all of that happening for you, but at the same time I feel that there is a part of you which could go wrong, or do something which is probably illegal, or something which is against the rules, and you can mess it up for yourself. So you may want to watch out for this devil and element which could spoil things for you. So don't over experiment. Don't push yourself that hard where you cross the limits of what's right and from wrong. So I think you need to just watch your back a little bit and go steady on not breaking certain rules while playing this card of working hard and trying to be on a path and trying to challenge yourself, which is all very good. You just need to be very careful, because there's a very thin line between doing the right thing and the wrong thing. So you may not want to cross that bridge. All right, so that's something that you need to be very, very careful with. That's the only thing I can see for you right now, Sagittarius, in the week, or in the 2 weeks of 1st to the 15th of June 2021. All right, let's go on to see what the messages for you are from the universe now. Messages for Sagittarius for the period 1st to the 15th of June 2021. Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius. Please give me messages for Sagittarius. For Sagittarius. You have everything coming to you, but there's a divine timing for it. All right, if it didn't work out for you in the past and it's working out for you now, that's the timing. All right, you just need to understand that whatever is meant to be will happen at the precedented time. All right, surrender, learn to accept, give in, and listen a little more rather than just being heard all the time. All right, blessings and abundance, I see a lot of that coming in. You have a lot to be grateful and thankful for. You have a lot of opportunities coming to your door, but I think what you really need to do is wait for the right time. You will know when the right time is. You just need to surrender yourself to the whole situation. All right, and do not press forward too much. Like I told you earlier, I see everything going very systematically for you. I see you very charged. I see you very passionate, very aggressive, very focused, and you'll probably even get closer to getting to your goal. But there could be a little mistake that could pull everything down, so you may want to watch out for that. That's why I'm saying that you need to surrender and go with the pace. Go easy on your pace. All right, don't lose yourself. So that's that little message for you, Sagittarius, for June 1st to the 15th of June 2021. And I will see you soon after. All right, take care. Goodbye.